Welcome to the latest edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Mimivax and Roswell Park initiated a Phase 2 trial evaluating SurVaxM with temozolomide versus temozolomide alone in metastatic neuroendocrine tumors. Centivax fully enrolled 180 participants in a first-in-human, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled Phase 1A trial of Centiflu-01, assessing immunogenicity across a 24-strain influenza panel. Novavax reported Q1 revenue of $139.5 million versus $78.3 million estimates, driven by vaccine supply agreements, licensing deals, and Matrix M partnerships. Moderna mRNA 1010 Phase 3 P304 data published on New England Journal of Medicine showed superior relative efficacy versus a licensed standard-dose seasonal influenza vaccine in adults aged over 50. GNOS PV01 Phase 1 glioblastoma trial, including 9 patients, showed immune responses in most participants and encouraging recurrence-free and survival trends. Evaxion announced preclinical EVX-04 AML vaccine data, an AI-designed off-the-shelf candidate targeting endogenous retroviral antigens, with a clinical trial application planned for H2 2026. A systematic review and meta-analysis of 91 studies, screening over 14,000 papers, including 62 newer studies from 2020 to March 2026, found maternal Tdap vaccination reduced infant pertussis risk with a consistent safety profile. The IFC secured additional financing for the Biovac vaccine manufacturing project in South Africa, including $20 million from Proparco and $20 million from private credit insurers, bringing total additional support to $40 million. Stay ahead in vaccines research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.